Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a throwing knife game in Scratch 3 part 3. So let's get started. So I'm going to open my Scratch 3 and I'll go to this game over 1 sprite and I'll go to the events. I'll take the when green flag clicked. Then I'll go to the looks. I'll take hide. Then I'll go to the events. I'll take when I receive game over. Then I'll go to looks and I'll take the show. Then I'll go to the stealth knife and I'm going to go to the controls and I'll take when I start as a clone. Then point, I'll go to the motion. I'll take point to direction 90. Then I'll go to the looks. I'll take show. Then I'll go to the variables. I'll take set dist to -50. Then I'll take set and I'm going to make a variable. This variable you can name it anything. I'll just name it something. This is just a variable to support uh, the knife, so I'll just name it just whatever I want. I'll name it, so I'll like that and then set this to I'll go to the operators and I'll take pick random 1 2 360. Yeah, then I'll go to the motion. I'll take point in direction. Then I'll go to the variables. I'll make another variable, so I'll name it circle and then I'll go to the operators. I'll take this plus sign. I'll go to the variables. I'll take the if point in direction circle plus 90. Then I'll go to the motion again. I'll go to the looks and I'll take go back. So go to back layer. Then I'll go to the control. I'll take the forever block. Then I'll go to the motion and I'll take set x2. Then I'll go to the operators and I'll take the plus sign. Then I'll take the multiply sign over here and I'll go to the sensing and I'll take this off one, so of log, yeah, of log x position and sorry, it should, yeah, and over here there should be the dist one and over here there should be I'll go to the operators and I'll take the sin, where is it, yeah, sin of circle, yeah, then I'll copy that and I'll paste it. I'll just take this and this should not be set x, it should be set y, and it shouldn't be sin, it should be cos. Then I'll go to the variables. I'll take change circle by 3. Then I'll go to the motion. I'll take turn 3 degrees. Then I'll take I'll go to the control, no, I'll go to the events and I'll take when I receive start level, sorry, not start game, start level. So then I'll go to the control, I'll take repeat, then I'll go to variables, I'll repeat level, then I'll go to the control and I'll take forever, then I'll take create a clone of myself, then I'll go to the events, I'll take when I receive next level, then I'll go to the control, I'll take delete this clone, then I'll go to the events, I'll take when green flag clicked, then I'll go to the variables, I'll take set level, so set level to 1, and I'll go to the looks and I'll take height. Yeah. So that's all for part 3 of how to make a throwing knife game in Scratch 3. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in part 4. And please like and subscribe.